guys. I gave it to Singabako's dad. Where's Singa? Singa is sleeping. Singa and Tabi, I have a lot of questions, but yes, I actually went live on purpose because I know that you guys have a lot of questions. That I know nothing about, that have nothing to do with me. Umnikazi waleyo ndaba uzoyiphendulela. Ubonile wait ufuna ukuthatha indoda. Angithi indoda yathi ayinamnikazi. Mayifuna akayithathe. How do you feel about this Khoteni saga? Nina guys nihamba nikholwa yonke into. I wanna, if you guys listened to that whole podcast, nalalela attentively, you guys were gonna pick up the loopholes, but ke angisafuna ukuphawula ngendaba engahlangene nami. Uphuma nini kulo mfana? Angazi. Umjolo wami, 2% of umjolo wami is on national TV. Just 2%. Akuthi ngiyazazi indaba zami, anazi lutho ngami. How's things between you and Ndoda? Things are okay between me and Ndoda. Ndoda. Cishe ngakhuluma enye into. Bengizosola. Kambe nina yonke into umuntu ayikhulumayo, ngiyahamba ngiyisebenzisa against yena. Uthini uMpumelelo urusaba ukuza? Usaphumile yazo. I wish he could answer for himself. I don't want to answer for him. Your man's shoes are trending. I hate those shoes. At least I'll never see them again. Yep.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Pre. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Guys, so Utirolo decided to do a live. Ngemva kokuthi kudume kokuthi uBoyti and uMpumelelo Mseleku they are dating, babonakala baphuma ehotela futhi uGeli ugqoke icathulo atakhe uMpumelelo Mseleku, and ngala dumene ukuthi uMpumelelo is mashing uGogo's Khoteni, and Utirolo is actually saying ukuthi yena kade lutho kade ngena akafaka izinto zabantu, and bekamela guys, you could hear nje from Tinta likhuluma ngokuthi yamela kuMpumelelo. Hey nine le podcast angayibukeli kahle angaboni ukuthi they were loopholes, there were things that didn't make sense. Hey mina tenzaba tebantu ubamambuta uphuma nini kulomfana, hey angati, hey ukuphi mfana ngelo saphumile kade utiphendulela. Guysini nikuthatha ukuthi nithembe bafana ngalendlela, ngisho sebabekele evidence right in front of your eyes. You wanna turn a blind eye just because you love someone. Hi book guys, but I'm not even shocked. Vele we know ukuthi uTirelo uyamthanda kuMpumelelo uyatifela. Ngisho uMpumelelo ngendani uGeli will always be in the picture. Ngisho uMpumelelo angajona na 100 man batane uGeli is not going anywhere. Njalo ujabulile ukuthi uVuyokazi uphumile so uselene bekatshe uthi uyosala bekumaqhuzu kanti uGuy ayebo usafuna kutshintshelela ke sana, but uGeli sheme yambona ukuthi she's in her dululu era. Kananzaba nje ukuthi bantu bathini uthi nina nathi lutho futhi njenge love life yakhe nina nathi 2% yalolu nikubone TV, the rest angikwati. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.